Hello there. If you are looking for to add your Payoneer account to your MGID account, and if you would like to withdraw through Payoneer, then you are in the right place. Today I will show you how can you connect your Payoneer account to MGID account. So if you log in your dashboard, you will see the interface like this, and you can see the analytics of your revenue and traffic, how actually the ad networks working in your website. So for my case, you see I have earned $413 so far with this ad networks. Their CPC is very low, but still if you suspended from Google AdSense, then this ad networks could be useful for you. Anyway, I will show you how can you connect your Payoneer account to MGID account here. For that, you have to click on payout option. Okay, and this is very straightforward way you can connect your account. So in my case, you see I have withdraw 2 transactions with my PayPal account and another transaction with my Payoneer bank transfer. To give you the proof, you can see here September 29 I received $151 through the Payoneer account, and there was $3 free. For PayPal, this fee could be also more. You see they charge $5 per 100 PayPal, and Payoneer charge $3 for 154 dollars. So this is also very low fee to withdraw your money through Payoneer. And to connect your account, you have to click on edit payment method. Okay, I already have added my Payoneer account, so in my case, you see there is bank transfer, so you have to click on bank transfer. Okay, and then here you will get the option. So this is very straightforward. You just click this connect another account, and you have to give your Payoneer password and login credential, then you have to save. So this is very easy, and then you have to select like this, the option will appear, and you have to select your Payoneer bank transfer. So you are all set to get your next payment to your Payoneer account. So that's it, how you can connect your Payoneer account to your MGID account. So if you find helpful this video, just thumbs up and like, comment and share, and thanks for watching.